Hello everyone, welcome to Malik Joe 34 channel. This is Malik Arjun. In fact, today I am very much excited because this is the first live interaction or live video I am coming with you guys. Just to brief about myself and what is my background and what is my areas of expertise, and then what is the reason behind my this YouTube channel, and then what is the purpose. So myself Malik Arjun, I am a BE graduated in electronics and communication, and immediate after my graduation, I have been campus recruited by iGet Global Solutions, where I worked for 2 to 3 years as a senior Oracle DBA. And then immediately I got offer from Oracle India Private Limited, where I worked for 4 to 5 years with Oracle India Private Limited. And then later I worked for EXA group of companies, Bharti EXA group of companies. It's an insurance company. I worked for 2 to 3 years with the EXA group of companies, and then currently I'm working for Wipro Saudi Arabia, where I'm leading Exert Administrator lead. So coming to overall experience in my IT industry, I am having around 10 plus years of IT industry experience, where along with that I'm very much passionate about the training. I can say that almost I trained around 200 plus students in industry experience, like all these industries. Like I used to give a training and demonstration and sessions. So I can say that almost 200 plus students I've been trained with IT industries. And before to my IT industry experience, during my college days, I used to teach for one of the institute, Liberty Computers, where I am a part-time trainer, and then I used to do some live projects and live demonstrations, and then I used to do some trainings. That is other part of before coming to the IT industry. So these 10 years of IT industry, I have been expertised in many areas. I am basically starting with the Oracle core, database administration. I've been a RAC certified, RAC expert, Exert expert, and I also worked on this EBS application, DBS, and OBI application support. And recently I completed my Informatica admin course, and then I worked for almost 6 months as an Informatica admin. And then I recently completed my Oracle course, and then I am Oracle OCI, Oracle Cloud OCI certified admin as well. Coming to the certificates, what I had right now, like I am a OCA OCP 11G certified OCA OCP, and also I had a RAC 11G RAC expert certificate and Exert admin certificate, and recently completed this OCI cloud certificates as well. And then many more certificates I have, ITIL and then other things. But coming to these are the Oracle certificate I have. And coming to the live implementation about this, my entire IT career, I have done a data center migration recently for one of the customer. I have done data center migration, and also I have done many more RAC implementation for the live customers. For them I can say many more, like I don't have a count exactly. So I have done many RAC implementation, and in fact data guard implementation is as usual. It is like a day in task for me. Like I have done many data guard implementation, and for this DB and grid infrastructure upgradation, I have done almost 200 plus upgradations. When I was with Oracle, I have done for global customers so many database upgradations and so many grid infrastructure upgradations. And also I have set up a 3 data center for 3 different customers. That is one of the brilliant experience I can say in my entire career. This is quite background about me and my technical expertise in IT industry. So the basic reason behind this YouTube channel is always being a Oracle DBA, it is a pride moment, because you are the one who is having the customer end data and corporate end data. So without you guys, without we DBAs, any industry cannot run, because we are the one who is managing the entire corporate live data, and then any end application has to be depends upon us. And being a Oracle DBA, it is not limited to as a Oracle DBA and then Oracle database support. You are the responsible person to have a knowledge on other technologies like Linux and networking and storage and security. So if you limit yourself as a Oracle DBA and then your job is to just to support your database, it is it is not the truth. So you should have other areas of expertise as well. So because you are day in and day out, you will be interacting with the network team, you will be interacting with the Linux team, you will be interacting with your developers, and you will be interacting with your security team. So if you have an idea on these other technologies as well, it will be added advantage for you, and then it will help you for the career growth. and always working with your developers is one of the challenging part, because always developers comes with lot of issues and query performance issues, and mainly about the performance issues they will come, my query is not running and it is taking a lot of time, and always a fight between you and your developers. That you should have an idea like how to deal with, and how to troubleshoot what where is the bottleneck, and how to address the particular problems, how to address the particular issues, where the issues exactly besides, whether it is application side or whether it is a database side, whether it is a OS side or whether it's a network side. So it's better to have ideas on the other technology as well, being a Oracle DBA. So the basic reason behind my YouTube channel is the one of the main idea is I want to share my areas of expertise and my knowledge whatever I have so far in my IT industry. So I want to share everything with all you guys. I want all my Oracle world and all my Oracle community to have a strong foundation in database administration, because DBA is a never ending job. Whatever technology comes and goes, but a DBA is a must. So whatever the future technology comes, whether it is a cloud or whether it is Hadoop or big data or whatever it is, but DBA role is must. It will never vanish from the industry. So for the DBAs there will be a lot of opportunities in the market. So I want all my Oracle world or Oracle community to be stronger in their respective database administration field, whether it is a Oracle or MySQL or DB2 or MongoDB, whatever database administrator you are. So you will be having a good plenty of opportunities in the market. So but you should be strong in your career. So I wanted to share whatever technical expertise what I have. So using this channel, I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to share my knowledge with you guys. So I quickly go over my YouTube channel, and then how exactly it looks, and how you can go through, because there are a lot of videos I uploaded so far, and then people are getting confused like how to read and which one to follow up. Like I'm just going to show you quickly how to follow my YouTube channel, and what are the playlist you have to look into. So everything I'm going to cover it right now. Once you open your YouTube channel and then search for Malik034, and then you will get my channel, and then go into my channel, and then go inside the playlist. Hello guys. I have whatever videos I have uploaded so far, I have done the couple of playlists. If you see here networking, if you click on networking, you will see all the networking related videos like IP addressing and whatever I uploaded for networking. And some of the live interview questions and answer, I made it one particular playlist for that, Oracle interview questions and answer. You can always refer this Oracle interview questions and answer. And there's a database security and audit, like wallet and all the related security related, database security related videos I'm uploading into this database security and audit. And there's a backup and recovery playlist. If you click on this backup and recovery playlist, I already uploaded 6 videos. So it purely talks about my backup strategy, backup and recovery related all the videos here in this playlist. And there's a 12c database, 12c Oracle database talks about all my 12c related videos, PDBs and CDBs, and upgradation of PDB, CDB, everything I'm going to upload in this 12c features, 12c new features, everything here. And going to the other, like there's a performance tuning and troubleshooting videos. If you click on this one, this is purely about the database performance tuning and troubleshooting, whether it's a standalone or rack or all the videos are in this particular playlist. And similarly for e-business suites, EBS apps DBA, so everything I'm going to upload in this playlist. And the data guard, I made a separate data guard playlist. It purely talks about all the data guard related videos, all the data guard implementation, data guard build document, and data guard types of data guard, everything I'm going to upload into this data guard. And similarly Exadata, all Exadata related videos I'm uploading into this Exadata playlist. You can always go here in this playlist. And there's a Oracle rack rail application cluster, all the rack related videos I'm uploading into this rack. You can always go here. I already completed rack internal future cities, so you can always refer in this rail application cluster playlist. You will get all those. And then other than that, like I have this database administration playlist, where it purely talks about all my database related activities, all the database related videos I'm uploading it here. And again I have one more Linux playlist, where it talks about the installation of Linux and shell script, and all the related Linux videos I'm uploading in this Linux series. So just I quickly go into this rack playlist, so or else I can go to my database administration playlist. Just pause it here. If you see here, like these all are related to my database, and also I'm started with rack basic architecture and demonstration for the guys who are recently into DBA field. Like they can refer it to chapter 0, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So they can refer this chapter wise section here. And also there's other related videos also I'm uploading it here. So like this, you guys can refer my YouTube playlist. It will be very understandable. So I just quickly go into my real application cluster rack videos. uh, Rack video also has a couple of more videos, like I can say, starting with the implementation of 11G or 12C, and establishing passwordless connections, and what is scan real application cluster. Everything they can refer it here. And I mentioned here like my future series: real application cluster 1, real application cluster 2, real application cluster 3, real application cluster 4. Like these are the videos I uploaded. Like that they can refer my playlist, so that it will be easy for understanding and easy for catching up the sequence. So I hope this is just for introduction about myself and about my channel, and then the basic reason behind this YouTube channel, to help all my Oracle world, and also share my areas of expertise what I have in this IT industry. So I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you.